Here, friends, today we're gonna draw a squishmallow.
You got something on your eyes.
Oh, really?
You look like one of our cartoons.
Oh.
Go to show them.
Hi.
Yeah, for this lesson, you don't need a squishmallow, but I thought it was funny to bring one so we could show our art friends how complicated is the shape.
It's really easy. It's just a big circle.
Yeah, a big circle with ears and things that stick out. Do you have any others?
Yes. We have this pug. Oh, my favorite one.
This is your favorite one?
He's too
Yeah,
squishy.
he's just a circle also with ears that stick out. And then do you have some little ones too?
Yes. I have this crabby one. I have this axolotl one.
I really like the crab. He's got his shell on his head, and then he's got these little arms that stick out. But he's also just a circle, and same with this one. So we hope you're gonna follow along with us. We're gonna use our markers. We also have some paper. You ready to start?
Wait.
Oh, you improved your axolotl.
Yes.
Now it's got cartoon eyes.
Oh.
We're using Canson marker paper to draw on. This helps our markers last longer and also keeps the marker from soaking through and getting onto the table.
Yeah.
We're also using our Art for Kids Hub markers, and we already picked out our colors.
Yeah.
We're using 88 pink.
87 pink.
Yes, and also it's black.
No.
120.
Black.
If you have the same markers, you can use the same colors, but you could also use something completely different, like a different brand of alcohol-based markers, or like crayons or colored pencils. Oh no, your marker has eyes now.
Oh, no. Yeah, I know.
Usually we start with our black marker, but this time we're starting with our 88 pink, and we're gonna draw the shape of our squishmallow. So we're first gonna start here. Oh, we could even fill up a big part of the page. Yeah. I'm gonna draw an upside down U in the middle of my paper. I'm also using the big side because we're gonna color it in. Oh, guidelines, I like that. Yeah. But I like that you're also using the small side. Then we can draw the bottom, and we're gonna turn it kind of into an oval. It also looks like a gumdrop. I also didn't mention that we're drawing the axolotl version, but our friends should know because of the title of the video.
Yeah.
And maybe the thumbnail.
Yeah.
We're gonna draw the belly next. So we're gonna draw another upside down U. Yes, and then we're gonna draw the other parts or shapes. We're gonna draw the arms sticking out to the side. Then we're gonna draw another arm on this side. Now this next part, we're gonna color in our drawing, except we're gonna fast forward. So our art friends can pause the video if they need extra time. But we're gonna color in above the belly. We wanna leave the belly white, and then we're gonna color the arms in. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Next on our axolotl, we're gonna draw these little gills, or the things that stick out on our axolotl's head.
Yeah.
Let's start with our darker pink, 87, and we're gonna draw those funny shapes. We're gonna draw 3 of them. So we'll start here, we'll come out to the side, back in. Then we're gonna curve back around, and then back in.
Make sure to not put them fully down.
Oh yeah, you can just draw them to there. Then let's do the same thing on the other side. Kind of look like antlers on a deer.
Yeah.
Now let's color those shapes in, and this part will speed up, so pause the video for that extra time. What are we missing next on our little axolotl?
Eyes.
Not those eyes. Oh, that looks really cute. Let's draw the little mouth W shape, like this one. We'll start in the middle, and we're using our black marker. We can draw a curve coming out to the side and a curve coming out to the other side. Yes. Then let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and another circle. And we usually leave highlights in our eyes, but let's color these in solid so it looks more like a squishmallow.
Yeah.
I like that you changed your mouth. That's really cute. We could also use our marker to draw the outline for a squishmallow. I'm going to repeat the same step. So I'll start here, and we're going to draw an upside down U.
I'm going to start with the gills.
Oh, you can do that. You can start on a different spot. We're just going to outline the whole squishmallow with our black marker. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Squishmallows, and I especially love yours. It's perfect.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now remember to pause the video if you ever need extra time during the lesson. You could also do this all over again. Just start with that shape that we started with, and then add different details if you want to draw a different Squishmallow.
Yeah.
Like maybe a cow.
Or a panda.
Oh yeah, a frog or a bee.
A cat or a dog.
Oh yeah, that would be really cool.
Even a bear.
Ooh.
We hope you had fun drawing a Squishmallow with us.
We did. We hope you had a lot of fun. I don't know how you did your drawing with those eyes.
Huh.
See you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.